My name is Gianna. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's filled with random stuff, pretty much anything and everything. But today I'm going to be reviewing this sour cream sent to me from Follow Your Heart. I'm really excited to try it. I've ironically had a couple people reach out to me in the last couple months or so asking specifically if I had a recipe or a recommendation for sour cream. And I realized that I don't. I kind of just make cashew cream and use that across the board for everything. But I used to love sour cream. And yesterday I had a package from Follow Your Heart. Well, a few days ago I got it and I put it right in the fridge because I wanted to be able to pay attention to it and see what it was. And I didn't have the time or space to do it right then and there. So here we are. And I'm really excited to try this. I opened it because I wanted to smell it, but I haven't tasted it yet. It was so cute. The package that they sent me also had this French onion dip. I used to really like French onion dip. So I have my chips, I have my sour cream, I have my onion dip, and we're gonna mix the two and taste them. And this is gonna be such a quick, random video, but I'm excited and I wanna give you guys another option for sour cream, potentially, kind of. This recipe is so basic. It's 2 cups of sour cream. Obviously I'm using the Follow Your Heart one. And then this pack. This past weekend was 4th of July weekend and I've been eating my weight in chips. So why not just keep it going? This is 16 ounces, so exactly 2 cups. Derek is here to taste this with me, primarily to hold me accountable because otherwise I might eat this entire bowl. Do you want to mix this? We've got some wavy chips.
Ooh.
That's my dog. That's my dog snorting in the background.
So what is in this?
It's literally just Follow Your Heart sour cream, the stuff that they sent me.
Mm-hmm.
And then they also sent me this French onion dip seasoning mix. So
Is that what?
The recipe is literally on the back of this. 2 cups of sour cream and then this.
So is that how you make sour cream and onion chips?
Oh, it says mix and chill for 30 minutes. I'm gonna just eat this now. I don't wanna wait 30 minutes.
Go for it.
It tastes like French onion dip.
You get in here. Is it good?
Yeah. I probably should have tasted the sour cream on its own first.
I'm not even in the camera.
But this is actually really good.
It is pretty good. Refreshing.
Break it down. What's going on in your head?
Well,
What is your experience from bowl to chip to mouth?
it definitely has the nostalgia. I feel like I'm at a backyard party.
We basically are.
The only thing we're missing is a spread of vegetables. So most people choose the chips though instead of the vegetables. So I think we're good. Yeah, it's really good.
Okay.
A nice little,
Well,
definitely if you put this out,
people would eat this and not realize.
yeah, no one would know.
No one would know the difference. Well,
I'll give it 3 wavy chips.
3 baby chips?
Wavy chips.
Out of what? 10?
Out of 3.
3 out of 3? Who rates things 3 out of 3?
I just figured.
Whoa, look at this. Here, you can have this one.
Cam's thirsty, huh?
All right, this is why I have you here, because we have to cut.
Okay.
Is it? All right, well, thank you. Thanks, Derek. Thank you guys for watching. I'm really excited about this. I haven't had French onion dip probably since I was elementary school? When's the last time you had it? It's coconut based too. I really like that. But
Really?
do you
Doesn't
taste? Yeah,
No, it doesn't taste like coconut
I
at
don't
all.
taste it either. All right, cool. Thank you, Follow Your Heart, if you're watching this. I really appreciate you sending me this product. I'm so excited to be able to share this recommendation now for people that ask me. And I'm probably gonna get this again because I have some other ideas for recipes that I could use this for, and I'm gonna make tacos and just, yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day. Perfect.